Ariba loved learning new things. One day she found an old box in the attic. Inside was a pencil glowing with golden sparkles. It looked magical. She picked it up. Is this just a pencil or something more? She drew a dollar sign in her notebook. Suddenly it glowed. To her shock, real money appeared on the page. She quickly grabbed her piggy bank and smiled. I'll save it. I won't waste it, she promised. She kept the pencil hidden and safe. She made a smart plan: save, spend, and grow. In her imagination, money grew like leaves on a tree. She wanted a toy but thought, do I really need it? She looked through the shop window, tempted. But she walked away. I'll wait, I'm saving. She added more to her savings, proud and happy. Then she thought, can I use this to help someone? She gave coins to a charity box at the mosque. Her parents were amazed by her wisdom. Now she planned her spending with a list. Instead of toys, she bought a great book. With a piggy bank in one hand and the magic pencil in the other, Ariba smiled. She had learned the true power of money.